Millionaire chemist Chamath has some outrageous price target forecasts for Tesla stock that you won't want to miss if you're interested in the future of Tesla and how it will transform renewable energy, robotics, insurance, and transportation. During the interview, Thomas explains his reasoning and explains why he thinks Tesla stock will soar to levels never seen by the stock market. We'll be concentrating on that in this video, so before it concludes, please give it a huge thumbs up and remember to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. In the video, Thomas expresses his belief that Tesla will see tremendous growth, doubling or tripling in value, as it continues to upend the auto sector by emphasizing the fight against climate change. Tesla is anticipated to profit from the global transition to renewable energy sources, which will also upend the power utility sector, despite criticism of its high share price. Thomas thinks Tesla will have a significant role in this disruption, and that this will lead to a steady rise in the company's stock price. Thomas claims that the most disruption to come is to the electrical utilities. Within the global energy generation infrastructure, there are billions of dollars in bonds, capital expenditures, and value that are going to be turned upside down. Tesla will double and quadruple once more if it goes awry. Given the growing concern over climate change and the increasing use of renewable energy sources, Thomas thinks Tesla will play a big role in the disruption. Furthermore, in many states, the cost of energy is compounding at a rate of 3 to 4% annually, indicating that the cost of energy doubles every 10 to 15 years. This gives Tesla the chance to offer a more affordable and environmentally friendly energy option. An excellent illustration of an industry with monopolies is the utility sector, which is mandated by law to spend a specific sum of money each year on replacing turbines, modernizing power lines, and facilitating the switch from coal to wind power. The upkeep and replacement expenses of old infrastructure force consumers to face a 100% increase in their rates every 5 to 8 years, even in cases where energy production is completely free. With its distributed energy business, which is centered on capturing, storing, and using energy in a way that enables people to be productive, Tesla now has the chance to upend the utility sector. Chamath claims that Tesla is a perfect example of a business that is addressing and combating climate change. The richest person on the planet ought to be someone who is actively pursuing a sustainable future, and Tesla is leading the way in this endeavor. By capturing, storing, and using energy effectively and responsibly, Tesla's distributed energy business is transforming our understanding of energy. This is due to the company's emphasis on renewable energy sources and environmentally friendly transportation. Chamath, a businessman and venture capitalist, recently encouraged investors to back innovators who are changing the world, such as Tesla, which is aiming to supply renewable energy and build a sustainable future. Chamath thinks it would be foolish to bet against Tesla's success, even in light of Wall Street experts' reservations about the high price of Tesla shares, given the growing need for renewable energy. He went on to say that he thought people would prefer to live environmentally friendly lives, and that every one of the 100 million homeowners worldwide would eventually construct a small power plant to compete with the approximately 1,700 public utility firms in the country. Thomas has clearly been pushing investors to back businesses that are dedicated to changing the world for the better. He recently cited Tesla as an illustration of a business that is aiming to provide clean energy and build a sustainable future. Pelli Hepataya thinks it would be foolish to gamble against Tesla's success, even in light of certain experts' reservations about the high price of Tesla shares, especially given the growing need for renewable energy. He believes that more and more people would desire to live more environmentally friendly lives and manage their energy use. Consequently, he believes that every one of the 100 million homeowners worldwide will eventually construct their own little power plant to compete with the approximately 1,700 public utility firms in the country. Thomas also talked on how Tesla's initiatives are progressing, mentioning Optimus, the robot that was on display during the company's Investor Day in 2023. The most recent iteration of Optimus is capable of picking things up, walking, and simple activities. Tesla is the most advanced in real-world AI, which is the same AI that powers the automobile, according to Pelli Hepataya, who commended the company's AI skills. He likened Optimus to a robot with legs and the car to a robot with wheels. Billionaire Chamath recently stated in an interview that he is in favor of business people who are making a big difference in the world, such as those who are developing renewable energy sources like solar panels, power walls, and Tesla electric cars. Wall Street experts are worried about the high price of Tesla shares, but Thomas thinks investors should keep funding businesses that are pursuing a more environmentally friendly future. He also discussed his belief that in the future, people will want to live more sustainably and that every one of the 100 million homeowners worldwide will eventually construct a small power plant to compete with the approximately 1,700 public utility firms in the country. Thomas also provided an example of how a new, possibly revolutionary product is introduced to the market, and 3 to 5% of the buyers, referred to as believers, purchase the product based only on their trust in its ability to bring about a better tomorrow. According to him, solar panels and battery electric vehicles, EVs, are two examples of these phenomena, and millions of homes are now able to profit from them thanks to government incentives like President Biden's programs. Additionally, he expressed enthusiasm for Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, as well as the company's upcoming projects. Chamath thinks the robot has a lot of potential because, like the iPhone when it was first released, he thinks it might completely disrupt the business. According to Thomas, one of Tesla's main benefits is its sophisticated real-world artificial intelligence. Tesla has been making significant investments in AI, mostly for self-driving automobiles, but robotics can also benefit from this technology. Tesla has achieved amazing success in autonomous driving thanks to its AI capabilities, which are regarded as some of the most advanced in the world. Optimus is intended to be a humanoid robot that can carry out a variety of jobs, from straightforward housework to more difficult jobs like manufacturing and construction. A variety of sensors and cameras are anticipated to be included in the robot's construction, allowing it to recognize objects and people, navigate its surroundings, and carry out duties with accuracy. With Optimus, Tesla is poised to transform the robotics industry because of its unique combination of AI knowledge and electric car experience. Tesla hopes to develop a robot that would appeal to a larger spectrum of consumers by being both competent and reasonably priced. Speaking on humanoid robots, Chamath thinks that their main benefit is that they should be able to move around on their own and do jobs without needing to be taught to respond. Additionally, he poses thought-provoking queries regarding the definition of the economy in the event that there are more robots than people and a significantly higher output per person. Thomas concludes by offering his thoughts on why Elon Musk is such a special leader and a force of nature, pointing out that not many people are able to create something as monumental as Elon Musk, and even fewer are prepared to live in their factory and sleep on the floor in order to realize their dream. This brings this video to a close. But first, let's review briefly. In this video, Chamath outlines his forecast for Tesla's future and how it would transform the fields of robotics, renewable energy, insurance, and transportation. According to Thomas, Tesla will continue to upend the auto industry and play a significant role in the global transition to renewable energy sources, which will have an impact on the power utility sector as well. He believes that as a result, Tesla's valuation will double or triple. Chamath talks about Tesla's initiatives to combat climate change and build a sustainable future, including its distributed energy businesses that capture, store, and use energy in an economical and environmentally friendly manner. He also commends Tesla for its AI capabilities, particularly with regard to its robot Optimus, which is able to walk, carry out basic duties, and pick up objects. Thomas thinks that investors should back businesses that are pursuing a greener future because he thinks Tesla's innovations will continue to transform the world. And that's it. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the upcoming video.